Namaste everybody. Welcome in upper back and shoulder stretch class today. So we will start directly with our practice. So take the strap with you in your hands and high volume 20 times. We will go the arm rotation with the strap. We usually practice. Inhale, thigh in, exhale, tricep. Inhale, thigh in, and exhale, tricep. Inhale, both hands up. Exhale, bend down. Inhale, both hands up, and exhale, bend down. Inhale, both hands up. Exhale, bend down. Inhale, both hands up. Exhale, bend down. Inhale, both hands up. Exhale, bend down. Hold up tight. Do not bend your arms. Inhale and exhale. Inhale and then slowly exhale. Inhale and then exhale. Inhale and then exhale. Inhale and then exhale. Body inhale and exhale. 5 times more. Thimnamla, inhale and exhale. Inhale and then exhale. 3 times more. Inhale and exhale. 2 times more. Inhale and exhale. Inhale and then exhale. One last time. Home gaptai. Inhale and then exhale. Inhale and then exhale. Relax it. Relax your hips. Put your hands behind your hip. Inhale, open shoulder. Exhale, push your chest front and look up. Inhale, come back. Exhale, palm over your knee. Squeeze, look down. Again, inhale, open shoulder. Lift up your spine, your rib cage. Exhale, drop shoulder and look up. Inhale, come back. Exhale, palm on the knee. Squeeze and look down. Once again, Hemodlan. Inhale, open shoulder. Lift up your spine and look up and just stay there. 1, breathing. 2, awareness in your shoulder, upper back. 3, 4, 5, and now 6. Inhale, come back. Exhale, palm on the knee. Squeeze and look down. Put your arms front. Inhale, open your arms. Exhale, drop your shoulder and then just look up. Inhale, come back. Exhale, now squeeze, suck your belly and look down. Once again, inhale, open your shoulder. Exhale, look up, maximum opening. Inhale. Inhale, come back. Exhale, squeeze, suck your belly and look down. Once again, inhale, open shoulder. Exhale, drop your shoulder and look up and now just stay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and now 6. Inhale, come back. Exhale, arms front of yourself. Squeeze and look down. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and now 6. Inhale and exhale, nice one. Relax your hands. Inhale, both arms up, high thigh lane. Stretch your arms, stretch your spine, suck your stomach in and look up, Nin lane. Exhale, both hands down, thigh swan, look down, Nin swan. Inhale, both arms up, high thigh lane. stretch your arms and then look up. Exhale, thigh swung, lean swung, look down. Inhale, both arms up, and now the same. Stretch your arms, stretch your spine, do the maximum stretch up. 1, normal breathing. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Inhale and exhale, then thigh swung, relax your hands, look down. Dantay Saolong, finger lock from behind. Inhale, open your shoulder, same technique we are using. Exhale, drop your shoulder and now look up. Inhale, come back. Exhale, Kui Swan, bend down. Elbow calm, your stomach in, your spine straight. Inhale, come back. Exhale, once again, open shoulder. Drop your shoulder and look up. Inhale, come back. Exhale, now Kui Swan, bend down. Inhale, come back. Once again, exhale, drop your shoulder and now just look up. 1, give an opening in your shoulder and upper back. 2, knee lay. 3, 4, 5, and now 6. Inhale, come back. Exhale, now Kui Swan, bend down. Push your hip down. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and now 6. Inhale, come back. Exhale, relax your hands, thigh swung. Hip bow, high thigh length, both hands up. Dantay, finger lock, palm facing up, the same. Stretch your arms and stretch your spine. Exhale, both hands down, high thigh swung. Inhale, both arms up. Dantay, finger lock, palm facing up. Stretch your arms. Exhale and thigh swung, relax your hands. Once again, inhale, both arms up, finger lock, palm facing up, and now just stretch your arms. 1, length. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Inhale and exhale, then thigh swung, relax your hands. Dantay Saolong, finger lock from behind. Inhale, exhale, turn on the right side and try to touch your right knee and your both hands up. Inhale, come back. Exhale, turn on your left side. Try to go as near to your left knee. Inhale, come back. Exhale, again on your right side. When you go on the right side, push your left knee down. Inhale, come back. Exhale, turn on your left side. Inhale, come back. One more time, exhale on the right side and now stay there. 1, thigh length, both hands up. 2, push your knee down, down by swung, long swung. 3, 4, 5, and now 6. Inhale, come back. Exhale, turn on your left side, tabletop. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and now 6. Inhale, come back. Exhale, thigh swung, relax your hands. Inhale, both hands up, high thigh length. Dantay, palm facing up, stretch your arms. And when you exhale, try to push your shoulder behind. hip bow and powers up, guys. One, relax your hands. Lung high, hip bow, high thigh length, down thighs, put your arms maximum, and then push your shoulder behind, exhale. Inhale, come back, exhale, thighs one, relax your hands. One more time, inhale, both hands up, finger low, push your arms behind, high thighs out. One, breathe in. 2, 3, 4, high thighs out, push your arms behind. 5, and now 6. Inhale and exhale, then thighs 1. Jump thigh, open arms to your shoulder level. Inhale and exhale, now right hand down, drop your right elbow, left arm straight over the head. Inhale, come back, exhale, same on the left side. Gap Tai Chai. Inhale, come back, exhale on the right side, the same. Inhale, come back, exhale on your left side. Inhale, come back, once again, drop your right elbow and now stay here. 1, push your left knee down. 2, 3, 4, 5, and now 6. Come back, inhale, exhale on your left side. Drop your left elbow. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and now 6. Inhale, come back, exhale, thighs one, relax your hands. High thighs down more, put your hands behind your hip. Inhale, open shoulder, lift your spine, long leg, and thighs are long leg. Lift your hip here, and try to push your hip front side. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and now 6. Slowly come back. Inhale, push your hip down. Tatka Kuiswon, bend down. Stretch your arms, stretch your spine. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and now 6. Come back. One more time. Hemodlam. High thigh salmo. Hands behind hip. Inhale and exhale. Lift your hip. Push your hip front side. Spot and give the opening in your shoulder and upper back. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and now 6. Good. Come back. Inhale. Hip down once again. Kuiswon, bend down. Stretch your arms, stretch your spine. Normal breathing. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and now 6. Come back. High thigh length, both hands up. Finger low, palm facing up. Inhale, exhale, bend on your right side. Inhale, come back. Exhale, bend on your left side. Inhale, come back. Exhale, bend on your right side. Inhale, come back. Exhale, bend on your left side. Inhale, come back. Once again, exhale, bend on the right side. And now hold it. 1, 2, thumb tie, arms straight. 3, 4, 5, 6. Inhale, come back. Exhale, bend on your left side. Thumb tie, lies out, arms straight, push your arms behind. 1, 2, 3, breathe. 4, 5, and now 6. Inhale, come back. Exhale, relax your hands. Jump tight, open arms, shoulder level. Inhale and exhale. We go on the twist. Turn on your left side. Palm align. Just try. Inhale, come back. Exhale on your right side. Inhale, come back. Exhale on your left side. Second repetition. Inhale, come back. Exhale, turn on your right side. Inhale, come back. Once again, exhale on the left side. Stay here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and now 6. Inhale, come back. Exhale, turn on your right side. The same. 1, breathing normal but continuous. Itu thosa being tuang tiap tu. 2, 3, 4, 5, and now 6. Inhale, come back. Exhale again. Twist one, bend down. Stretch your arms, stretch your spine, your head down. 1, thang tai. 2, 3, 4, 5, and now 6. Come back, everybody. Thangchan, you are both legs straight. Relax your legs, move your legs. Come in the butterfly. Feet together and swing your both knees together. Yes, swing it, swing it, swing it. Continuous, continuous, some gentle hip stretch. Put your both palm on your knees and push your knee down a few times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and now 10. Everybody inhale and exhale. Now push one, bend down. Just a little bit, try. Touch the ground by your forehead. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and now 6. Come back. Gapchan, bend your legs. Hands behind of your hip. High thighs elbow. Table pose, another variation for working on the upper back and shoulder. Inhale and exhale. Same. Lift up your spine, palm loop, and then long leg. Lift your hip here. Chochan, knee feet closer. 1, 2, 3, 4, dividing the whole practice and the stretch with your shoulder upper back. Danta Saulo, finger lock from behind. Inhale, exhale, bend down. Just try, even just a little. 1, Thailand. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and now relax, come back, Gapchan, bend your legs, hands behind of your hip again, same, inhale and exhale, long leg, lift your hip, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, Tatka Thangchan, keep your both legs straight here, but maintain your upper back position, spot from your arms, leg, 1, 2, 3, 4, okay, 5, come on, 6, and then relax, come back, inhale, push your hip down, both hands up, high thigh leg, inhale, and exhale, squeeze one, bend down, forward fold, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, come back, Jantai, open arms, your shoulder level, inhale, exhale, Sanchai, turn on your left side, palm align, but Tapchum Then, Chai Vai, focus more on your left shoulder. Inhale, come back, exhale, turn on the right side, palm align, Monk Swan. Inhale, come back, exhale again on the left side, second round, push your hip down. Come back, inhale, one more time, exhale, turn on the right side, Monk Swan. Come back, inhale, exhale, relax, Dantai Saulu, finger lock from behind, inhale, and exhale, bend down, Kuisuma, Thanchan, flex your feet if you can, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and now 6, come back, everybody, Jamchan, open legs, your sidewise, Kuisuma, bend down, just one time. You can hand tie or you can duck tie. Just try any of the one. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and now 10. Come back. Thangchan, legs together again. Legs together, Thangchan. Relax your legs, move your legs. Jantai, open arms, shoulder level. Inhale, exhale, again turn on the left side. Next round in the twisting. Left shoulder up, right shoulder down. Inhale and exhale, turn on your right side. Now right shoulder up, left shoulder down. Inhale, come back, exhale, relax. Jang Thai Chan, Kuiswak. Once again, second round. You can arm straight. You can blow elbow. You are free to make any option and variation. 1, 2, 3, Come back. Thumb jump. Keep your legs together here. Relax your legs. Move your legs. Come in the cat pose. Meow meow. And from cat pose we'll come in the extended child pose. Stretch your arms here and you can drop your chin or you can drop the chest on the ground. Maintain your knee to hip aligned. Keep pressing your shoulder, pushing your chest down. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and now 10. The Kamong swan, and same like the cobra pose, arms position still remain same here. Just push the hip down, open shoulder, and then just look up. A very gentle stretch for your spine here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and now 6. Come back, everybody in the same position. We'll go the second round. Same, still same. Push your hip out, drop your chest, your arms and chin. If you can drop your ribcage also. Keep pushing your hip out. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and now 6. Again, same like before. Monk swan, arm position will be same. Press your palm and push your chest front, and then just look up. Very gentle, your spinal stretch. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and now 6. Come in the downward facing dog. Thang tai, thang chen, thang look. Your arms straight, your spine straight, and try to touch your mat by your forehead. Dao swung everybody, but thang tai, khong up tai. 1, dao swung, dao swung, dao swung. Head down. 2, 3, 4, 5, and now 6. Come in the upward facing dog. Drop your knee down, open shoulder, and then just look up. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and now 6. Again, downward facing dog. You need Pravinya, kneel thumb. Downward dog, and you can make the gap a bit more and try to touch the by your forehead. And then if you can, then you can close more and more. Depends on you. Come on, try. Down swung. Drop your head down. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. Chân trái lên, chân trái chuốc. Drop your right knee down, chân phải xuống. Left hand, hold your right wrist here, and keep your chest out. You work on the right shoulder by 5 and look up. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and now 6. Kneel thumb, kneel Praveen. and then thang chan cha, your left leg straight, and then still stay. 1, 2, focus more on your shoulder opening. 3, 4, 5, and now 6. Come back, relax your hamstring, Chua-song. Cross your left leg with the right hand. Option more, just chup thai. Option high, drop your hand down, arm straight over the head. Option bar, just try to nam ko tai chai, hold the wrist and then chest out. So we are combining the spinal twist as well, your shoulder opening. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and now 6. Good. Tai swam, downward facing dog. 3 times. Deep breathing. Inhale, exhale, thang chan. Inhale, exhale, hít vào, thở ra, chân phải lên. Don't break the bone. Chân phải chuông, chân trái xuống. And the same, right hand on the right leg, and hold your full left wrist. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Thang chan 5. Your right leg straight, but your upper back portion remains same. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and now 6. Once again, Kapchan 5. Bend your right leg, relax your hands. So we'll go the reverse twisting here. Left elbow, right knee. Option 1, palm together. Option 2, tai chest 1, thang tai 5. Option 3, under your right leg. 1, 2, 3, 4. It's okay for you. 5, and now 6. Good. Tai swan, downward facing dog. Deep breathing 3 times. Thang chan. Hít vào. Thở ra. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. Chân trái lên, left leg up. Chân trái chuak, left leg in between your arms. Now draw your right heel. Same practice we did before. Left hand and Nam Ko Tai 5. Keep your chest out. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Thang chan chai, your left leg straight. 1, 2, thang chan. 3, 4, 5, 6. Calm, you have to be open shoulder now. Relax. Tai swam, chan swam, gapchan. So now the thang chan back, thang chan back. So we go for the reverse twisting. So same we did before. Option 1, option high, option down. Try. 3 options you have. So this is the intensive twisting, but we are also combining the shoulder opening, upper back opening. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and now relax. Downward facing dog. 3, 3 times deep breathing. Inhale, exhale, inhale, exhale, inhale, exhale. Chan Phi Leng, Chan Phi Chuak, right leg in between your arms. Drop your left heel. Now right hand under right leg. Tai Phi South Chan Phi and Nam Ko Tai Chai. Hold your left wrist. Lead Mochut Mong Le. Yes. Tap Chun Vai. 2. 3. 4. 4. 5. 6. And now Thang Chan Phi, everybody. Thang Chan Phi. Still maintain upper back portion. Same. 1. 2. Thang Chan. 3. 4. 5. And now 6. Okay, so relax. Try small. Relax your hands. And now the twist. Opposite side. The reverse side. You have option here. Just try any one. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and now 6. Good. Downward facing dog. 3 times deep breathing. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. And now relax. Drop your knee down and come in the child pose for a moment. Both foot close down. You can little open your knee for relaxation. Okay, sitting position. Everybody function, relax straight here. Take your 2 blocks with you and put on your upper back and line up. Mong xuống, không mong lên, mong xuống, mong xuống, mong xuống, mong xuống. Just hold. You can just stretch your arm. Mong xuống, hip down. Hip down. Few more seconds. the opening in your upper back especially. Okay, so come back, sitting position, Uisu, bend down. Okay, we go the second round. Take 3 blocks. Bow. You all have. I will give it to you. Yes. So after that, we will do some self practice together. This is just a self practice. After we will practice together in the same block. You just try to hold with yourself and just stay a bit longer, about 1 to 2 minutes. You don't need to put so much effort. You're just taking care of the align. If anybody is hurt their neck, don't elbow. Dauko. Nice one. Nice one. Yes. Mouth full. Contact. Contact. When you hold the posture longer, but it should be in a comfortable position, so the stretch is more effective. Okay, come back. Push one, bend down. Push one slowly, bend forward, bend forward. Okay, relax. So the same practice we will do again, at least for a 2 times. But this time we will practice together. I will show you that after we will practice. We don't need to do a lot of things. We do the one thing and repeat. You like do the same posture again, like here. More front, arms behind. So you have to just practice together. You have to hold and you have to be pushed down. But you are little taking care. Her hip is going down. She push hip down and pull. More slowly. Tight here. You okay? You are feeling okay? 1. And hold it. Palm away or both thumbs out. And you know, like, okay, home, okay, home, okay, home. Don't him. Don't him. Don't him. Don't him. Don't him. So this is the way you have to practice. Yeah? Come on. Hi. She will find you. You can help them. You can hold it. You can hold it. Yes. Yes, you can press this bone here. This is the bone you can use this part. Yes. try to hold both foot here. Lee, mong xuống. Mong xuống. Hít vào, hít vào. Thở ra. Inhale, exhale. You try to enjoy the breath when you go. You feel that expansion in your lungs. You done 2 times or?
Just one.
What do you want to do? If you want, so we can try with the one more. But if you feel 3 is enough, so go with the 3. 3 is enough. Or if you want to try, you can try with the 4. This is 3 is okay. Without the you come here. Don't scare. Why are you scared? Everybody's scared. Come on. You hold. Do you want to hold right? You hold her hips. Or even you can sit. Push the hip down, hip down, push your all power, all power. 1, 2, 3, 4, tell me now. 5, 6, 7. This one. Oh, this one. Good. Helen. Tất cả tập Helen chưa?
Lần 3 được không? Lần 3 được không?
Oh, okay. Minimum 2 times, and depends if you have more energy. You can go ahead. Because when you we are trying to hold at least for 1 minute, so that when you hold longer, so the stretch will go deeper, so it will give you the more effect. So today you can see we practiced less portion, but we did so many repetitions.
Dịch đi, không hiểu gì cả.
Không cần hiểu tất cả.
Không hiểu cái gì hết luôn. Ít mỗi lần thứ lâu 1 phút. Và sau đó trả lại đơn.
Okay, everybody. Number 1, lying down with the back. Relaxing time. गप हायचं नोम हायचं. And now sang chai sang phai, just move left and right side for relaxation.